Good morning, student. Today we are going to read about air, the fourth chapter of your class. So, air is a very important component of the abiotic environment. Our air is very important for survival of every living organism. It may be from the microorganism to multicellular organism, all are depend upon the air for various purposes. Air protects us from the very harmful ray or ultraviolet rays. It also radiates the solar amount of solar energy which coming to the earth surface by the ozone layer. The air help us in photosynthesis. The air help us in respiration. But student, if we are discussing about today's concern, the thing is that day by day the air being polluted by human being by various activities. The ozone layer get deflected by the human activities. Due to that, many things are happening in the earth's surface. The global climatic change is there, the temperature is increasing, global warming is there, melting of ice caps is there. Many environmental changes are occur due to the disturbance in the atmosphere. So student, today we are going to discuss about the air and the atmosphere, air or the atmosphere, and its composition, its importance and its layer which are present in the atmosphere or the structure of the atmosphere. So student, let's discuss about air. The composition of air. The air of our earth's surface mostly composed of various kind of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, helium, neon, xenon, and water vapor, dust particles. Many things are there. But let's discuss about what is its composition. 78% of our atmosphere having nitrogen, 21% is oxygen, and only 1% composed of all other gases like hydrogen, okay, like argon, neon, water vapor, carbon dioxide, among all these. Carbon dioxide is the highest among all, except that all gases are there. So student, let's discuss about the some of the important gases like oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Let's first discuss about nitrogen. Nitrogen is the most abundantly found air in the atmosphere or most abundantly found gas in the atmosphere. It is found about 75%. It is a unreactive gas, or it is you can say it is one kind of neutral. Okay, it do not help in combustion. And another thing about nitrogen is being used for a good preservant. Most of the time the packaged food which we are using in our day-to-day life, we use nitrogen within that to preserve the food for a long period of time. Another thing is that nitrogen is also help to increase the fertility of the soil by forming nitrate, and this occur by the nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is a process in which the leguminous plants like peas and grams, they have nodules in their roots, and these nodules have the rhizobium bacteria, and these rhizobium bacteria convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate, and this nitrate being used by the soil and increase the fertility of the soil and help in crop rotation. Next, we are going to discuss about oxygen. Oxygen is one of the most important gas in the atmosphere. Oxygen help in combustion. Oxygen help in combustion means burning. Oxygen help in respiration. Student, we all need respiration. Even plants need oxygen for respiration. Okay, what is respiration? Respiration is a process of breaking down the food or converting the food into energy, and in this process they require oxygen. So oxygen is required by all the living organisms for getting or for doing respiration. So another thing is that oxygen also helps to maintain the temperature of the atmosphere. So this is all about oxygen. Oxygen is very important. Another thing is that when oxygen form three atoms like O3, that is called the ozone, and ozone is a very important layer for the earth's surface, because this ozone layer radiates the temperature or extra amount of temperature which are coming from the sun. Not only that, it also prevent us from the ultraviolet rays. These ultraviolet rays are very harmful and they increase the temperature of the earth's surface. Not only that, they cause various kind of skin diseases, skin cancer and defect in eyes.